Hey guys, welcome back. So a couple of months back, my girlfriend wanted to try out PC gaming and got quickly hooked on World of Warcraft. Since she was blocking my editing rig all the time, I decided to build her a machine, part new, part used, for her gaming needs. So let's get into it. So here you have it guys, a small nice ITX system built around the Thermaltake Core P1 case with an ASRock Fatality B450 ITX mainboard, a Ryzen 5 2600, 16GB of ballistic DDR4 RAM and an WD Green M.2 SSD drive. The GPU and PSU are unused OCSAP modular PSU and an Sapphire Twin X GPU I had to use to not blow the limited budget. Eventually the GPU will be replaced with something newer when 1080p isn't enough anymore. Well, there you have it, the basically World of Warcraft build. So if you like this video, do the thumbs up and hit the notification bell for future updates. See you in the next one. Bye.